Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and for staying with me. May God bless you. You will never lose your reward in Jesus' name. And for those who just stumbled on this video, or if you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. So just in case you may be wondering why it's shot in this format, while recording this video, the initial plan was just for Instagram Reels and TikTok, but while editing, I decided to upload it on YouTube. So I didn't use the landscape mode. So sorry about it. Okay, so for this tutorial, I already applied foundation on her face. I use a Nigerian brand, Adventure Beauty, and this is also their concealer. I'm using it to highlight her face and I'm blending it in. Using a beauty sponge. To contour the nose, I'm using that same foundation but a darker shade to contour the nose. Sometimes I like to do use foundation or concealer to first contour the nose before going in with my dry products. I just feel that it gives it that definition. So when applying the powder, everything is already defined. You just need to set it with the powder. Now I'm going in with the concealer, a lighter shade of concealer, to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. Going in with my setting powder, I'm using the Mirror Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Ginger. It's a translucent shade, suitable for all skin types or shades. I love the setting powder. It smoothens out your concealer, blends it and sets it, mattifies it. Everything you want the setting powder to do, it just does it for you. To set the rest of her face, I'm using the V Beauty powder palette. It's also a Nigerian brand. For contouring, I'm also using one of the shades from the same powder palette. Now I'm baking her face using the Mirac setting powder. I'm going ahead to draw her brows using the Davis eyebrow pencil in number 3. This pencil is one of the best, if not the best, and it's also affordable. For her eyeshadow base, I'm using the Banana Clown White. Going in with the eyeshadow, I'm using the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette in Breakfast in Bed. After doing the eyeshadow, I decided to go in with chunky glitters. So I used the So Pro Cosmetics chunky glitters. This is a Nigerian brand too. To line her eyes, I'm using the gel liner from Zaron Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. And for her waterline, I'm using Mirror Cosmetics in charcoal. It's also a Nigerian brand as well. And I'm going ahead to do her lips. This is the LA Girl lipstick. Now I'm blending it out. I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder for under her eye and the highlighted areas. It's a lighter shade of powder. Now I'm going in with the cream blush. This is Tehila Cosmetics, a Nigerian brand. For the highlighter, I'm using Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. For a long time I had this highlighter, but I never used it. One day I just took it up and I said, let me even try this thing, and since then I've not dropped it. I just love the effect it gives. Now I'm setting the rest of her face using the setting spray from MS Metic. It's a Nigerian brand, and this is the finished look. So tell me what you think about this look. Do you love it? Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. May God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.